Okay guys, so this video is going to show you how to dismantle a carburetor. Reasons why you might want to dismantle a carburetor is if your engine's not running smoothly, if you are not being able to gain full throttle, or basically if the engine's not performing as it should do. It could be due to a blockage in the petrol. So here is a carburetor on a Honda 125cc. The airbox has been removed to gain easy access for removal, and various things around it have been removed, so I can show you easily on the video what to do. So basically the carburetor sits here, the right hand side connects to the engine, left hand side to the airbox, fuel comes from above just here, and this pin here is connected to the throttle, which shows you how to adjust the settings of the carburetor. On the right hand side we have the choke. So as you can see, if the choke is up, the air intake is closed, choke is down, air intake is fully on, allowing more petrol to flow in. Now the petrol comes from here and it's controlled by the throttle here, and also there are various settings on the side to adjust the settings of the carburetor. Now when you remove the carburetor, you want to inspect it, make sure it's clean and not dirty. The first way is visual inspection. Once you open it, check inside, make sure the hole's fully clean, which it usually is. And then this one, the throttle, you'll disconnect it by turning it manually, open it up, and what you'll get is a pin. Now you need to make sure the end of the pin is clean, and you need to make sure the hole is also clean. And the only way you can clean that is possibly by just dabbing a toothpick in there, making sure there's no residue. Okay, and the bottom's just fallen off, but I'm just going to put the bottom together and show you how to dismantle the bottom part. Okay, so the bottom part consists of 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, which I've already removed. That's the bottom bait area of the carburetor. So once we remove that, we have 2 tiny pumps which control fuel flow, and we inspect the bay area. As you can see, there's a bit of dirt on the side that needs to be removed, and possibly we're going to put an air spray to possibly unblock that hole there. Visually inspect here, being careful not to damage any parts, and then, as I said, the centerpiece and the top hole, and then the pin itself as well. Okay, thanks for watching guys. So that's a video on how to dismantle and inspect the carburetor. Obviously clean it with carburetor cleaner or possibly acetone as well, and then pulling it back together, simple and straightforward. Once again, the first parts sit into those 2 screws there, and then the air filter, which is quite flexible, goes on to the left hand side. Okay, thanks for watching.